Hi guys, today's recipe is about a famous Middle Eastern dish that we tend to underestimate when the rest of the world is all crazy about it. It's vegan, it's healthy, it's just great, and it's falafel. And I'm gonna do it in a very different way. I'm gonna add a lot of flavors to it, make it more interesting. I'm gonna be using 150 grams of dried fava beans and 100 grams of chickpeas, to which I'm gonna add some water and let it soak overnight. After about 9 to 10 hours, this is what you get. Just strain the whole thing, removing as much water as you can. In a big bowl, we combine all the ingredients to make the falafel dough. First, we start with the fava beans and the chickpeas. We're gonna add 100 grams of finely chopped, I like red onions, you can use white onions or shallots. Then 50 grams of chickpeas flour. This is gonna help dehydrate the whole thing, make it a bit more, less moist and easier to maneuver with. So to the mix, I'm gonna add 10 grams of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, ground coriander seeds, also 1 teaspoon of cumin. I'm gonna add my own touch of ginger powder, and some margarine. Mix it again. To that, we're gonna add 30 grams of parsley that we're gonna roughly chop, and 20 grams of cilantro, same story. Green chilies, I like it slightly hot. Seeded, of course, roughly chopped. And 2 cloves of garlic. All in. And mix again. So now we put the whole thing in the food processor. This is exactly what you're looking for. It's gonna be soft and moist, but not too much. Let this rest for 30 minutes in the fridge while you make the sauce and the salad. While the falafel dough is sitting in the fridge, obviously you gotta do the tahini sauce, which starts with lemon and tahini. 150 grams of all natural tahini, of course. Don't get the bleached one. 100 grams of lemon. And 50 grams of water. Some salt to taste. That's exactly the texture that we're looking for. Perfect. Keep this aside. After our dough has rested, time to prepare our falafel. So on medium to high heat, we put some extra virgin Lebanese olive oil. Should be enough. For every serving, I put about 250 grams, split in 2 patties. For them to cook through, you want to make them as thin as possible without it being too thin. You're gonna count about 3 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. Now on a tissue, dry all the oil out while you prepare the salad. Now for the side salad, I'm gonna use some wild arugula, just a handful, a little bit of parsley, and of course, most importantly, some fresh mint. To that I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, half a lemon juice, bit of pomegranate molasses, salt, our 2 beauties, of course, homemade Lebanese pickles, and some of that magic. Now, if this is not a fancy dish, then I don't know what is. And it costs really peanuts. It's great for the end of month, super healthy, and fills you for 6 hours easy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like the video, leave your comment below, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Cheers.